Hey guys, I got a really sweet box from Gorilla Disc and I can't wait to show you what is inside. Let's go ahead and open it. And first off, it says thanks mark on it. And it looks like they gave me a Lone Star disc sticker. Didn't order that, but thank you guys over at Gorilla. And we'll go ahead and do the top disc. This is, I believe they're calling this the first run Bearkat. It's all in black. Super excited for that. 178. It is in the Bravo plastic, which is really honestly my favorite. But a really cool stamp. I don't know if you can see, but the foil on this says Lone Star right on it all the way around. So first disc, Bearkat. Second disc, ooh, this is the Color Glow Horny Toad. Super pumped for this guy. Looks really cool. I believe I got two of those, but I also got, ooh, here is the Glow Frio. And it's got the same type of stamp on it, which is pretty awesome. I really enjoy the stamp. It's made by Gorilla Disc. And got a second one of those Color Glow. These things are hard to find, and I am pumped I got two. And they are super flat. I do have a couple that are puddle topped. And so should be the last disc in here. Oh man, sweet design. And that is another Frio. So I got two Frio, two Color Glow Horny Toads, and then that first run Bearkat. I'm going to go ahead and light these things up and show you how good they glow. So I have a little UV light bar here. Just going to go ahead and hit that on, turn off most of my other lights. And within just a couple of seconds, those things are already glowing awesome. So this is that Color Glow. And then here's just their normal glow. As you can see, this is just a few seconds with this UV bar already turning awesome. Obviously, you're not really going to be able to see a black disc outside, but I am going to kill the lights completely here in 1 second. So this right here is pretty much pitch black. And you honestly can't even tell which one the Color Glow is, really. They are so similar. And so, good job. I know that Lone Star's been working hard on perfecting this. But that right there is the Horny Toad. That right there is the Frio. And you really can't tell that much of a difference. Obviously, this rim is a lot thicker. And this one's thinner. But, man, those are sweet. Can't wait to throw these. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put it down in the comment section below. Go ahead and hit up Gorilla Disc. They got some really sweet disc on there still. And don't get sponsored or paid for by them, but do enjoy their company and all that they do. Wearing one of my sweaters as well by them. They make some really cool gear, so check them out. Gorilla Disc. And put a link down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching.